Hello everyone. This video is in light of World Cancer Day, falling on February 4. Let's talk about some basic science about cancer and our daily lives. We all know that cancer is a devastating disease that claims many lives across the globe. It can afflict individuals of all ages and target various organs within the human body. But what exactly is cancer? To define it, it is the abnormal growth of cells forming a localized mass within the body, often referred to as a tumor. However, why does this tumor form? Our body consists of millions of cells that continually undergo division to facilitate growth. Also, some cells naturally reach the end of their lifespan, and cell division serves to maintain tissue balance or homeostasis. Nevertheless, it's crucial to understand that cell division is a tightly regulated process. Throughout the cell cycle and its various stages, multiple checkpoints exist to ensure the proper function and integrity of the process. In case any abnormalities are detected during these checkpoints, cells undergo programmed cell death, also known as apoptosis. Well, this underscores the importance of proper cell division and cycle control. But another valid question about cell division is, do cells really divide all the time? Honestly, no. Growth in most organisms is finite. We do not see humans growing to an indefinite size, indicating that cell division must have limitations. The frequency of cell division varies with the type of cell. For example, human skin cells divide frequently throughout life. In contrast, liver cells maintain the ability to divide but keep it in reserve until an appropriate need arises, say to repair a wound. Some of the most specialized cells, such as fully formed nerve cells and muscle cells, do not divide at all in a mature human. These cell cycle differences result from the regulation of the process. The cell cycle control system can be compared to the control device of a washing machine. Like the washer's timing device, the cell cycle control system proceeds on its own. However, just as a washer's cycle is subject to both internal control, such as the sensor that detects the water in the tub, and external adjustment, such as electricity supply, the cell cycle is regulated at certain checkpoints by both internal and external signals. One important regulatory mechanism for growth is contact inhibition, wherein cells cease dividing upon encountering close contact with neighboring cells. Additionally, many animal cells demonstrate anchorage dependence, requiring attachment to a substratum in order to initiate division. These regulatory processes monitor cell growth throughout an organism's lifespan. Unfortunately, some external factors can affect these checkpoints. Some cells lose the contact inhibition and anchorage dependence, causing the cells to divide uncontrollably. This leads to formation of lumps or tumors, which can ultimately lead to cancer. But how do these cells continue to exist and how are they harmful? In vitro studies have revealed that cancer cells possess a remarkable capacity for immortality, persisting even after they have ceased to function properly. This immortality is facilitated by their evasion from the normal cell cycle and apoptosis. Moreover, the uncontrolled proliferation of cancerous cells wreak havoc as it causes the cancerous cells to take over surrounding tissues and organs and destroy them. At times, they may even spread to new tissues and impair the functions of more than one organ. These alterations in genetic code are termed mutations, and the agents responsible for inducing mutations are known as mutagens. Even seemingly minor changes in the genetic code can have profound effects on cell function, such as the loss of control over the cell cycle, ultimately resulting in cancer. Mutagens capable of causing cancer-inducing mutations are referred to as carcinogens. You'd be surprised to know how frequently we encounter these carcinogens in our daily lives. The ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun are known to be a significant contributor to skin cancer. To all the people who believe that sunscreen is just a cosmetic product, it is essential to recognize that it helps shield our skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. While it's widely understood that smoking tobacco can increase the risk of lung or colon cancer, we should note that even exposure to secondhand smoke can be carcinogenic. Numerous chemicals found in everyday products such as food preservatives, paints, petroleum based products, detergents, rubber, batteries, and adhesives have been linked to various forms of cancer, including lung, nasal, blood, liver, and prostate cancer. Furthermore, certain infectious agents such as viruses and bacteria also possess carcinogenic properties. For instance, the human papillomavirus is known to be a significant risk factor for cervical cancer in women and various other cancers in both men and women. It's important to note that vaccines such as the HPV vaccine are available to protect against HPV infection and reduce the risk of associated cancers. While cancer is treatable, early detection and awareness play crucial roles in successful outcomes. The journey of cancer treatment, while essential, can be taxing, particularly for adults. The chemicals used in cancer treatments are highly potent and can inadvertently harm healthy cells, leading to compromised immunity and diminished health post treatment. Some patients may not even recover from the cancer treatment even after beating cancer. So, here I am, urging you to engage in conversations, educate yourself, and spread the word. Awareness not only aids in early detection but also empowers individuals to take preventive measures against this devastating disease. Get familiarized with various cancer causing agents and make appropriate lifestyle choices. Let us unite in this fight against cancer, spreading awareness far and wide. For every conversation, every act of education, and every moment of support brings us one step closer to a cancer free world.